Last night I had the sweetest dream about you. Last night I had the sweetest dream about you. You took me home and we talked until late. You touched my face, said we were meant to be. My fingers entwined, my head upon your shoulder. Why, oh why do these dreams tease me so? I've been watching from a distance, and when our eyes meet, you walk on by. Why can't we be like the earth and the ocean, licking, overlapping? He cradles, she caresses, she sings her sweet lullaby to melt me away. Sings her sweet lullaby to melt me away. The sweetest dream about you. Last night I had the sweetest dream about you. But I've been told that these dreams, they don't come true. I've got a feeling that this dream, it won't come true. 'Cause all these months I've been watching from a distance, and when our eyes meet, you get tongue-tied. Why can't we be like the earth and the ocean, licking, overlapping? He cradles, she caresses, then she sings her sweet lullaby to melt me away. Sings her sweet lullaby to melt me away. I've been watching from a distance, and when our eyes meet, I get tongue-tied. Why can't we be like the earth and the ocean, licking, overlapping? He cradles, she caresses, then she sings her sweet lullaby to melt me away. She sings her sweet lullaby. Last night I had the sweetest dream about you. Last night I had the sweetest dream.
That song was written by Heather Goff from Martha's Vineyard.